to show you guys our first home and just how we made this building, this block of structure into our home. And so I'll just show you around. Let's go. So this is our hallway. So I like these personal little touches, but on each door this is like the weirdest angle for a door. That's our bedroom, and I'm gonna show you guys my office. So I just originally really wanted an office, and we got really blessed because this house has 3 bedrooms. They're all super tiny though, so that's the problem. But I just have my desk set up, and this is where I do all my Bible study preparations, photography preparations, video editing. Very simple color palette in this office. You can see a lot of grays and beige because I love beige. And it's not totally done. See, I kind of don't like this area. It just looks really like messy, but you know, what can you do right now? I'm still starting out. Okay, so right here on this side, I just had these shelves. I literally had nothing to put on them, so I tried my best, you guys. So right here I have all the important files that I had to keep, and then this bookshelf is just so I can keep a lot of the stuff I need. And on top I decided to keep my makeup. No one tells you that you have to cover up that camera up there so no one watches you. I found this old frame from Goodwill, and I just decided to write a Bible verse on it. And so that is the tour of this office. It's very simple. I didn't want to put too much stuff, especially when you're just starting out your first home, you know? So, yep. This room right here that you do not see is it's John's office, but we are not going in there. So that's where I was just filming, and that's the way to all the rooms over there. So right here, this is the living room area. Wah, wah, wah. And we have this big old couch, you guys. Super big. It's perfect for napping for 2 people. And this area is usually covered with toys because of our dog. So we have that same bookshelf. I originally bought 2 because I thought they would go in the living room, both of them, but we wanted it to keep it simple here. That light is from my brother's college years, and it just got handed down, so we are making good use of it. And that basket is the perfect way to keep your house clean. I just put all his toys there at night, and so, yep, that's the view you get. You turn around and then you see the kitchen, and you see pretty much everything else. So as you can see, that's where our washing machine is, just out in the open. But this is our table that we got. We rarely eat here. We only eat here when we have guests over, so that's that. I really love the chairs though. And then my cute little sign. Okay, so this is our kitchen. Oh, my arms are hurting. This is where we keep the doggy food and our rice. John doesn't like how our rice is right next to the dog food, and I don't like it either, but we have to do that. Okay, so here's a super old refrigerator. Not a fan, but it keeps our food nice and fresh. And this is our kitchen. And okay, fix the lighting. So everything is kind of out right here because I was cleaning up the kitchen. It's not usually there, but I left it here because I like how it looks so white, you know? If I could, I would pick a white kitchen, but I love the counter space that we have. Sorry, it's super blurry. These are the flowers from my birthday. Super fall-y. Hey. So I'll just show you guys some of my favorite details of our kitchen. Doot. Doot. So I kept this plant right next to our oven because it purifies the air. So when you're cooking and the harsh air, you know, the air gets all dirty, it cleans the air. So yeah. Okay, so that's it. Actually it's not. I forgot to show you guys one room. This is the sunroom. Like, This was my favorite part. In the summer, it gets super duper hot in here, but I just thought it'd be perfect for in the fall time to just sit here and paint. So this is currently where all my 2 plants are. My other plants all died. That's sad. I can't close off this video without showing you my doggy. We're going in the bedroom to find our doggy. I'm telling you, he's under the bed. He's always in here. What do you know? Let me brighten up the camera. Hey, do you want a treat? I'll give you a treat. Come here. Okay, with that, I will close off this video. Bye, guys. Can you say bye? Okay. Let's get a treat.